wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, I wanna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. Girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me? Hey everybody, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing I Was Made for Loving You by the band called Kiss. Judging by the analytics of the channel, maybe this could be the song of your parents and you can do it for their next anniversary or whatever. We'll do it kind of in the original key. It is in between the key of E minor and E flat minor. We'll do it in E minor, but if you want to play along with the original, you have to tune a quarter of a tone down. But for this tutorial, we're tuned in 440, and grab your high G and let's go. Alright, so we start with the intro, which goes from E minor twice to A minor to D. Alright, but also one little thing that I'm doing, and I think it's kind of important for the song, is with the pinky right here, grabbing the E minor, and the pinky goes on the 5th fret of the E string, and we're doing this. Alright. This is rhythmically a little bit challenging. Around it, we'll build a strumming pattern: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay? And after that on A minor, I'm doing the same thing rhythmically, but on the C string, 2nd fret. And then the D comes a little bit earlier, and I'm grabbing the D like this, but also putting the ring finger right here on the 4th fret. Alright, so the A minor and the D are combined in this strumming pattern. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Oh yeah. Ba ba da ba ba ba. Okay. We're doing these 2 times, and after that we go to the chorus, and we're not really singing the chorus, it's more like this. And the only difference is here that the A minor is twice, and on the 2nd line we are going to D after that. Alright. And then the verse, it starts with E minor. Here on the verse, the chords are twice as long, alright? So, tonight, I'm trying to play a little bit more gentle here. To G, to B, back to E minor. And we repeat the same thing, just ends differently. Tonight, I wanna lay it at your feet. Girl, I was made for you. And here A7. Girl, I was made for you. And I'm trying to build up the tension a little bit, and then going to the chorus. I was made for loving you, baby. If you can do the ornaments while singing, that would be great. If you cannot, it's just a matter of practice. And after that we have another verse, another chorus, and then we have the little interlude, which starts with C6, which is basically all the strings open, then to C major 7, alright, and then to D, but grab like this with the pinky on the 5th fret, and then E minor, grab like that, alright. But again, rhythmically, it's a little bit challenging because, first of all, the C major 7 comes on an off beat. If you count it, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then on the D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. Maybe with the counting it's a little bit confusing, but it should be something like if the song is in your head, you can just feel it and not really try to think about it too much. So can't get enough. And the fourth time. All right, so D, 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 A, B. And then we get back to. And this sums up my quick tutorial for I Was Made for Loving You. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you. It will help you learn it and then be able to play without a printable or perform it together with a friend of yours. You can get it in the link in the description, and that way also you support the channel. Thank you very much for watching, for subscribing, for everything. Make sure you hit the like button and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.